This is a Sony USB drive, 16 gigabyte I received today from a website called SONY. It's an online store, works in the Middle East. I bought it here online from Egypt. Okay, I did it today. And we will make an unboxing for this product today. Let me put just the camera away a bit. I don't know how to open it with one hand, so now we can open it. Okay, here is a place where you can stick your finger and begin to open this package. Let me try to do this without destroying or okay. Okay, the camera is fell down, sorry about that. So inside there is like a manual, a warranty manual, and some instructions how to use it, and nothing there except this paper and the flash drive. So it came without any scratches or broken parts, thank God. As you can see, it's smaller than the old one, and I will show you now a comparison between my old 4 gigs Sony flash drive. As you can see, its plastic is a bit different, you know. I didn't like it. The old one is first of all, the new one is made in China and this made in Taiwan, but the quality difference is very high, very high. It feels cheap, it feels light. Well, I know sometimes light is good, but you know, it's cheap light. It feels very light. Okay, and when you move it in your hand, you feel like a sound. It's not fixed inside very well, and this is strange. This is strange. Okay, so we are now going to test it. Okay. Okay, it's starting blinking, and my antivirus saw it immediately. I know there is no file inside, but just to make sure. It's called Sony 16 gigabyte. Let's open properties and see more information. As you can see, almost 15 gigabytes usable space inside. Now we will try to test it by copying a big file inside. Let's try a movie. Let's choose a movie. I don't want to be a small size movie. Let's pick something like 1 gig, more than 1 gig. Okay, so all files are small now. Let me see. Okay, let's the double is 1.3 gigabyte. Let's copy it to the flash and see the right speed of this new Sony USB flash drive. Let's open more details. This is how it's look like when it's writing data. Okay, so it's 9, it's almost 10 megabytes per second, and this is a good performance. I used lots of brands. Last one was Toshiba. It was 8 gigabytes, and this performance is better. Sony making a good job in transferring the right speed is good. 10 megabytes and stable is very good. I used lots of flash drives, and most of them are not stable in copying large files. I don't know why. I can understand when it's a game full of small files, big files, but when it's one big file like a movie, Sony making a good job with a stable 10 megabytes speed. Again, I'm showing you the device and how it looks when it works. Okay. I will try to skip it a bit. So it finished, and it took around 10 or 15 seconds, and this is very good. Let's try another thing. We will try to copy this file outside the flash drive to test the read speed. Okay, so we will copy and paste it like in let's say in my documents, downloads. Okay, and let us see. Okay, it's 22 and counting, or no, it stopped. It started and stopped with a 22 megabytes per second, and this is good. We got lots of other flashes, sometimes start very high, let's say 40, a fake 40 megabytes per second, and then it drops till, let's say, 10 or maybe less or maybe a bit more. So again, Sony showing a very good performance in reading speed. It's 22.2 megabytes per second, and stable from the start to the end, with very small drop, as we can see at the beginning, at first second or two. And well, write and read speed perfect. This performance compensated a bit the low quality of the outer cover that I don't like. I hope you like this video.